I love this place, folks. Incredible coloring of this mixed wood, mixed tree forest, and I'm having great experience myself. I'm hiking these mountains alone now. Today I'm nearby the Lilekovo village. This is Chepelare town, and behind it these mountains are the Pamporovo ski resort, and this is the Rhodope Mountains in Bulgaria, with amazing landscape. I just had to come here today and to capture these lovely and these just unique moments now in the fall, in the autumn, and I had to come. I made a couple of flights with my drone. You can check my YouTube channel for the drone footage. And here these balcony, natural made kind of balconies from rocks, just make amazing terraces for observation, for making photography or making your videos. It's spectacular. I hope you like it, folks.